Have you ever wondered if a new player could shake up the electric car industry and challenge giants like Tesla? Well, today we're re-putting NIO to the test to see if it is truly taking over the EV market. Join me as I dive into the world of electric cars to see if NIO really is taking over. I am going to test drive their latest models and compare them to the competition. NIO is a name that's been buzzing in the electric vehicle community, and for good reason. This Chinese company has been making waves with its innovative approach to electric cars. From its sleek designs to its cutting-edge technology, NIO is definitely a rising star in the EV market. With a focus on sustainability and performance, NIO aims to revolutionize the way we think about electric vehicles. One of the most exciting things about NIO is its commitment to pushing the boundaries of what is possible with electric cars. The company has been investing heavily in research and development, and it's clear that they're not just playing catch-up with established automakers. NIO is determined to lead the charge and set a new standard for electric vehicles. What sets NIO apart from other electric vehicle manufacturers? For starters, the company's focus on innovative design and technology is clear in its products. NIO's cars are not only stylish, but also packed with features that make them a joy to drive. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking on the open road, NIO's vehicles are designed to deliver a thrilling driving experience. The electric vehicle industry has seen tremendous growth in recent years, but it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles facing EV manufacturers is competition. With more and more companies entering the market, it's getting harder to stand out. Infrastructure is another major concern as the demand for charging stations continues to grow. And then there's consumer acceptance. Some people are still hesitant to make the switch to electric. Another challenge facing the industry is the high cost of production. Electric vehicles are still more expensive than their gas-powered counterparts, which can make them inaccessible to some buyers. Additionally, the sourcing of materials for EV batteries can be a concern. As the demand for certain minerals continues to rise, the industry is also facing regulatory hurdles, as governments around the world grapple with how to govern the rapidly evolving EV market. Despite these challenges, NIO and other EV manufacturers are working hard to overcome them. By investing in new technologies and finding innovative solutions to complex problems, companies like NIO are helping to drive the industry forward. Of course, there are also concerns about the environmental impact of large-scale battery production and the sourcing of materials. As the industry continues to evolve, it's clear that NIO and other EV manufacturers will play a major role in shaping its future. With their focus on innovation and sustainability, companies like NIO are helping to pave the way for a more environmentally friendly transportation sector. Electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular, but there is still work to be done to make them more accessible to a wider range of buyers. But what really sets NIO apart from its competitors? For starters, the company's battery swapping technology is a game changer. Imagine being able to swap out your car's battery in just a few minutes. It's a level of convenience that's hard to match. NIO's also making strides in autonomous driving, with a focus on developing advanced driver assistance systems. NIO's global expansion plans are another exciting aspect of the company's growth. With a presence in multiple countries, NIO is well positioned to take on the global market. The company is also investing heavily in research and development, with a focus on developing new technologies that will help drive the industry forward. One of NIO's most impressive achievements is its battery swapping technology. This innovative approach to charging has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about electric vehicles. NIO's autonomous driving capabilities are another area where the company is making significant strides. By developing advanced driver assistance systems, NIO is helping to pave the way for a future where electric vehicles are not only sustainable, but also safe. NIO's focus on performance is another key aspect of the company's success. The company's vehicles are not only environmentally friendly, but also a joy to drive. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking on the open road, NIO's vehicles are designed to deliver a thrilling driving experience. Recently, NIO announced record sales figures, a major milestone for the company. This achievement is a testament to NIO's hard work and dedication to innovation. It's clear that NIO is on the right track, and its commitment to electric vehicles is paying off. The company's focus on technology is another area where it's setting itself apart from competitors. NIO's advanced driver assistance systems and battery swapping technology are just a few examples of the company's innovative approach to electric vehicles. NIO's record sales figures are a significant achievement, but they're not the only story. The company is also making strides in other areas, such as its global expansion plans and its focus on sustainability. As NIO continues to grow and evolve, it's clear that the company will play a major role in shaping the future of the electric vehicle industry. Another important factor to consider is NIO's strong brand community. The company has built an engaged customer base through events, loyalty programs, and lifestyle-driven marketing. This sense of community goes beyond just cars. It's about belonging to a movement that represents innovation, progress, and sustainability. NIO is also attracting significant investor interest. With strong financial backing and consistent growth, the company has positioned itself as one of the most promising EV makers in the world. For investors, NIO isn't just about cars. It is about being part of a global shift in the future of mobility. Partnerships are another area where NIO is making big moves. Collaborations with tech companies and infrastructure providers are helping the brand expand its reach and strengthen its ecosystem. These partnerships are key in tackling challenges like charging infrastructure and autonomous driving technology. Looking ahead, NIO's long-term vision is ambitious but inspiring. With plans to expand into new markets, enhance its technological edge, and continue pushing sustainability, the company is setting itself up as a leader for the next generation of transportation. In conclusion, NIO's impact on the electric vehicle market can't be overstated. With its innovative approach to electric cars, focus on sustainability, and commitment to performance, NIO is well positioned to lead the industry. The company's achievements, such as its record sales figures, are a testament to its hard work and dedication. As NIO continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with electric vehicles, it's clear that the company will remain a major player in the industry. Whether you're a seasoned EV enthusiast or just curious about the future of transportation, NIO is definitely a company to watch. NIO's commitment to innovation and sustainability is inspiring, and its products are definitely worth checking out. If you're interested in learning more about NIO and its vision for the future of electric vehicles, be sure to do some research and check out the company's latest offerings. So, what do you think? Is NIO really taking over the world of electric cars? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on electric vehicle trends.